Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I have a quick video for y'all. I got a response. You know, I did a video yesterday on Age Corporation. People out there spending their hard-earned money, $10, $15, $20, and even $25,000 buying these Age Corporation. But this is not what this video is about. About an hour after I dropped that video, I had one of my subscribers send me a message asking me, how can I get business funding? What bank can I go to that's going to accept business statements alone, right? And I did a video a while back on Blue Vine business checking account, right? And if you're building your business side, everybody should have a Blue Vine business checking account. They're known for giving out a bag, people, with bank statements alone, right? So go out there, open up your business checking account with Blue Vine and build your relationship, right? So let me show you, for example, the point of the email was the subscriber said they work a 9 to 5. They building their business profile, you know, building their scores, adding these trade lines and stuff like that. They do side hustles like DoorDash, Uber Eats and things like that. Saving their money because they want to start an e-com store, right? Their goal is to start the e-com store with a minimum of $25,000, right? So they want to know what can they do to show income going in their business checking account, right? Again, let's get back to Blue Vine, where they're giving you funding off of bank statements alone, people, right? So if you get a paycheck, right, you should be directing your paycheck, your hard-earned working paycheck, into your business checking account, right? If you have a side hustle like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Lyft, things like that, whatever it may be, if you cutting grass out here, if you cleaning backyard, I don't care what it is, all that money should be directed into the business checking account, right? And you might be saying, I could direct my paycheck in my business checking account? Absolutely. There's a lot of banks. Matter of fact, I'll come up with a list and I will do a video on that next. But yes, direct your paycheck into your business checking account, so when it's time for funding and the banks go in there, they could see deposits after deposits, your paychecks every week, bi-weekly, whatever it may be, being deposited. Your side hustle, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Lyft, cleaning, whatever it may be, being deposited into that business checking account. So when months go by and you go to a bank like Blue Vine and say, hey, I need $50,000, right? You're trying to get some funding. They're going to go into that checking account off of bank statements alone, and they're going to see all deposits of your working, your pay stubs, your side hustle, Uber Eats, DoorDash, whatever it may be. They're going to see consistent deposits in your business checking account, right? This is how you're going to skip the line. You know, a lot of people like to skip the line, but with banks like Blue Vine and other banks, you could go in there and start building your relationship and making those consistent deposits. So when it comes to funding, they can see that, build that relationship. So when you go and ask for $20, $25, $50,000, they're going to pull those bank statements. They're going to see all those deposits, and you could go get some funding, people. This is a no-brainer. A lot of people are being lazy. They don't want to do the work. Stop being lazy and do the work, people. It's going to start with you. This money's not going to fall in your hand. Again, you got to build that business side as well at the same time. There's a lot of fintech companies that you could go out there, offer bank statements alone, and go get funding. Again, using this same method. If you got a job, make those steps of directing that money in that business checking account, side hustles, direct all that funds in that business checking account, so when it comes to revenue, they can see that you got money running into that business checking account. There's a lot of banks out there that's giving out a lot of money, but it starts with you, people. It starts with your mindset. There's a lot of banks out there. There's a lot of fintech companies out there. There's a lot of banks giving out business lines of credit like this, with actually not having a business off of bank statements alone. So I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the top. And again, I'm directing my channel in a different direction in the next probably month or two, because I want to start doing more videos like this. You know, I've been on this channel for over 5 years, people. Listen to me clearly. Over 5 years I've been on this channel, giving you content on the personal side. I've been giving you content on the business side. I want to see everybody win. But again, please, on the personal side, I have that ebook showing you how to do it yourself. Again, going back to my last video, a lot of people want to spend their money, go out here, pay these credit repair companies all this money, and they're just hanging on, dragging it out, and draining your account. You know what I mean? A lot of times I'm speaking with people on calls and they say, hey, I'm working with this guy. He's saying he can remove this American Express collection, this Discovery collection I have sitting on my credit report, and it's been 5 months. What are you doing? Yeah, he's charging me $99 a month. Again, do it yourself. In the ebook, it has the collection removal letters. It has the charge-off letters. It has the late payments. It has the inquiries. You can do it yourself. So why are you being lazy? The business side, you know, I got the business guide to building wealth step by step, the different tray lines, again, the business addresses, everything you want to do to make your business look legit. Making sure your business listed in Google and 411. These are the things that the underwriters are looking at. Again, a lot of people want to skip the line. I want you to do it the right way. But again, if you're trying to look for bank statements alone, again, another one is Bluevine. That's my #1 pick when it comes to 2026. Again, through the years, I built a lot of relationship on the personal and the business, but Bluevine been the one I've been going with for the past 3 years. Again, a great business checking account. Again, giving out a lot of funding, business line of credit, whatever you need, business credit cards, they have it there. You got to start building your relationship, and you got to direct, again, those pay stubs into a business checking account, them side hustles into that business checking account. So when they look at that funding, they can see all those deposits. That's the hack, people. That is the hack. I've been using the same hack for years, but again, it starts with you actually doing the work. Now, there's a lot of other great banks when it comes to credit unions. There's 1,000 banks. PNC has great options when it comes to the business side that you can build a relationship, and they're giving out a lot of money. So again, people, I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the top. Get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.